Among the habitual snorers, two genetic markers and age were the only factors that separated men who had their own bedroom due to snoring from others. So, this is the study that had been conducted, and the results of this study indicated that snoring to some extent is hereditary. We can find few physical features which can lead any person to snore. So, some physical features are narrow throat, receded chin, small jaw, or extremely large tongue, which is also called as macroglossia. Some of the features that lead us to snoring are genetically inherited, such as those encoding transcription factors such as TBX22, MSX1, growth factors such as TGFA, TGFB3, and adhesion molecules, example PVRL1, have all been implicated in the etiology of the small jaw, large palate, or receded chin.